Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. And so today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube channel or for anything that you guys want. So the first thing is you're going to go to the Play Store and you're going to type in a thumbnail. And there's a bunch of thumbnails here that you can choose. I have the Ultimate Thumbnail Maker because I like that one. So you're going to go ahead and install it. We're going to open it and it takes you right here. You can create, or they already have ready made for you, but we're going to go ahead and do a create. Okay, so it's going to take you where do you want. There's sites for Facebook, for Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, paper, letter, device, you know, whatever. It's here. So we're going to do for YouTube, we're going to do thumbnail 1280-720. We're going to click it. So now the app already has backgrounds for you. So like you guys can see here, they have cats, have Sharon, dogs, fall, flower, glitter, Halloween, love, all that, you know, fun stuff. So we're gonna do, if you have like a picture ready that you want to, just click the gallery. I don't have anything right now, and you just click the picture and it automatically shows there. So we're going to choose like this city one. We're going to click it, and here you can shrink it or go like that, or you can choose that. We're going to choose this one right here. You're going to click up here. Okay, so there we go. It's a beautiful city, and you're going to click down here on the left where it says text, and you're going to put like thumbnail, like first, let's see, and let's do like beautiful city or whatever. You're going to choose add, and here you can make it big, make it smaller, like however you want to, like that. You can put it up here, up down there, and here you get to choose, you get to like choose the fonts, how you want it to look like. That one, like that one. The color, you know, you can do green or you can do blue, and you can do the shadow as well, and that's what it looks like. Now if you're like satisfied with your text, you can do stickers. Now the stickers are like pretty fun because they have some cool stickers here. So let's do like traveling, this, or you know, any sticker traveling, or you can do the subscribe button like that, and you can do like that, and you can do it like that. You can make it smaller, you can move this here like that. You can add an arrow as well, and you can do it around, and you can just do it like that. You have to make it smaller though, like that, so that they can hit the subscribe button. And after you like the whole, you know, thumbnail and it looks cool, you're going to go ahead up here in the arrow. So here is your thumbnail, and you can, up on the bottom, you can transfer it to Facebook, Instagram, however you want to. You're going to click back, leave, and where I like to find mines are in gallery. And there you go. This is how you do a thumbnail of any thumbnail you want to do, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, you know, thumbnail you want. I love this app. It's on the phone, super easy. I know you can do it on a computer, but I like to do this one on my phone. So if you guys find this informative, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and if you guys like me to do tutorials, comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. This ain't over.